everyone, it's me Mario.
I'm me Luigi.
Now today it's a nice quiet day.
Yeah, quiet as usual.
Not doing a lot.
Nope.
Hey Mario, Luigi. Oh hello, Black Angry Bird.
Hello you two. Hello Smurfette, how are you doing?
We're alright. Yeah. We were wondering if you want to come with us for a picnic.
Why?
Well, really soon I'm gonna marry to Smurfette.
Yeah, we're gonna go on a honeymoon first. That's nice. Me and Hello Kitty haven't had a honeymoon yet.
Neither me and Peach. Don't worry, you'll have one soon over here.
And also, Yoshi, Toad and Moat are coming too. Okay then. Do you know what's in that picnic?
Sweets and vegetables, all types. What about the drinks? Beer, pop, everything.
And don't forget, ice cream sundae. I like ice cream sundae.
Come on then, let's go on this picnic. Where are we having it? We're just gonna have it over there. Alright then, come on Luigi.
Yeah.
Should we get the others, Black Angry Bird? Good idea. Come on, beautiful wife.
Wait for me. So, it's just a nice lovely day, isn't it, you two?
It sure is.
Yeah, lovely. And it's spring. That means it's going to get warm soon, like summer. It will be summer in the next couple of months, Boat.
Oh, fancy that. Hello, you three.
Hello, Black Angry Bird. Hello.
Hi.
And me, of course. And Smurfette. How are you?
I'm fine. We were wondering if you want to come on the picnic with us. Just to chill out for a while.
I like picnics. Can I come?
Sure, Bo.
Yes.
I think I prefer a snack.
And I hope they're better food than Luigi packs.
Why?
Because he always packs fruit and vegetables. And Gary doesn't like sandwiches.
Oh no, you can have whatever you want. If you want it, we'll get anything.
Like McDonald's?
Yes. Pizza Hut. And Burger King?
Yeah. Wow, you're better than Luigi.
Thank you. Come on then, let's go to the picnic.
I think I'm just gonna have SpongeBob and Goomba if they want to come too. Come on, you two.
Picnics are delicious. You're not wrong there, Toad.
Right, I'm gonna go to an interview today, you know, Goomba.
Are you?
Yes, it's very important.
Why is it very important?
It's to show how you're doing well at work.
Oh, I hope I don't get a review.
Do you mean an annual review?
Yes, they can be scary.
Yeah, they kick you out if you fail. Hey, I'm only joking. SpongeBob, Goomba. Hello, Smurfette.
Hello.
Do you want to come and picnic with us, me and the Black Angry Bird? I would like to, but I'm going to go into an interview today.
And I got to go to my train shop. I got lots of work to do.
Alright then.
Okay, that next stop is to the town.
Okay. Thank you, Donald.
Yep.
Donald?
Yes, you must be Smurfette.
Yeah. Do you want to come? Do you want to come on the picnic with us?
I would like to, but I got lots of work to do today. Mr. Krabs told me I had to be extra busy than the other engines.
Alright then.
Next stop is the town.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later. Oh, aren't they nice?
Come on.
Come and picnic with us.
Well, here we are at the picnic. Because I'm getting married to Smurfette soon.
Yeah. Smurfette and Black Angry Bird sitting in the tree. Kissing.
Hey!
They're joking.
Right. So what have we got?
We got...
You forgot it.
No.
Wait, I know what it is. We got chocolate, biscuits, ice cream, pizza.
Yay, pizza!
Pizza Hut with Pizza Hut flavour. Yes!
You're supposed to bring healthy stuff, not fatty stuff.
Hey! And I know what else I brought. Well, you brought, Luigi.
There you are, drugs.
Why have you bring drugs?
I don't know, they were free.
Oh, they're bad for you, Luigi.
Oh, hold on a minute, these aren't drugs.
Tablets from Tesco's? Why would you take tablets from Tesco when you're not poorly? Just in case Dr. Bert needs it. Alright then. How are you going to deliver it to it? I'll deliver it to him now. Dr. Bert! Well, he's missing out on the picnic because he's going to take some tablets to him. Let's enjoy the picnic! Yay! Right, here's the food. Mario, you get burger and chips. Thank you. Yoshi, you get pizza and lemonade.
Thank you.
For Totem Boat, you get one each. You get hot dogs, pizza, crisp, ice cream, and brown pop. Thank you. Do you mean Diet Coke? Yeah.
And for me and Black Angry Bird, a big toe in the hole for the two of us.
Yeah. Can I have one bit of it? No. Alright. And what about Luigi? We'll find out when he gets back from the hospital.
Sonic's there as well, you know.
Why?
He twisted his ankle.
Oh, poor Sonic. Oh dear. I think I'm gonna sneeze. Oh no, I'm not. Oh dear. Achoo! Oh, are you alright? You got germs on my lunch. Don't worry, they're ungermable. How can you tell? They don't get germs on it, even someone sneeze or cough. That's clever. Yeah, we magicked it.
Yes.
Anyway, let's enjoy the food.
Yeah.
Yum yum. Delicious. Yeah.
Meanwhile.
Yes, Dr. Bert, I got some tablets here. Why are you taking tablets from Tesco's? I thought they were sweets, but I never know they weren't sweets. They were tablets, and I thought they were drugs. Luigi, drugs are very bad for you, you know. Why? Because they might kill you. Oh, I see. And by the way, it could kill anyone else if anyone else has it. Oh, right. Are they not medicines? Well, sort of, but tablets are really useful to help Sonic and his twisted ankle in here. Yeah, hurry please. Alright, I'll be on my way, okay? Right. See ya, Dr. Bert. See ya. Well, I'd better take them to go. But the dino helicopter or the dino car's not here. What can I do? I know, I can wait at the train station. But Donald's not going to be arriving for ages. No, I'm here. I'm really been busy rushing around today. Why? Oh, it's a long, busy day for me. How's Douglas? He's alright. Hop in. Yep. Take me to the hospital, please. Next stop, the Liberty City Hospital. Oh, I'm stuffed, I am.
Me too.
That was the best picnic we ever have. Yes. Oh boy, I don't feel very well. Neither of me. Maybe you shouldn't have eaten too much. It's not my fault, and neither mine. We didn't pack the picnic. I know. Sorry, you two. That's okay. I think I'm gonna be sick. I think I am too.
Oh dear. Me too. Yeah.
Oh dear. Poor Toad, Bo and Yoshi ended up being sick. I hope they'll be okay. Yeah. And where's the Luigi? He's gone for ages. Oh well, looks like he has to miss the picnic. That was unlucky for him. Oh, I need to sit to somewhere to relax. Wait for me, Bo.
Oh crud. I need to watch a bit of television.
Right. I better go and find Luigi. Thank you, you two. That was the best picnic we ever have. You're welcome, Mario.
Yeah.
Next time you want a picnic, just come and ask us instead of asking Luigi. Yeah, that's the right thing to do. Well, it's not something what I done wrong. Bye, Mario. Bye, you two. Thanks for the picnic, by the way.
Yeah, us.
And me and Bo. Oh, God, I feel sick.
I don't feel very good.
Oh dear, poor Toad, Bo and Yoshi. Yeah. What should we do now? How about we go to town? Yeah.
let's go shopping.
Yeah!
Come on, wife, just me and you.
Yep!
Come on, I know.
Yeah? Come on.
Ugh.
Hey.
Let's go.
Yeah! Luigi has gone for a very long time. I wonder where he could be. Last stop, the Mushroom Kingdom. Hello, Donald. Hello, Mario. How are you? I'm fine. Have you seen Luigi anywhere? Well, he's gone into the hospital and going to give Dr. Bert some tablets for Sonic. That's really nice of him. Hello, Mario. I'm back. Oh, good, Luigi. That was really nice thing to do to make Sonic better with his twisted ankle. Yeah. Wow, cool annual review. How was it, SpongeBob? I passed. And what do you get? £1 million. What are you going to spend it on? You'll find out later. Ta-ta, for now. What was that all about? Yeah. Well, I better get going. I've got more customers to pick up. Goodbye. Bye. Bye, Donald. What a fun picnic. I'm afraid you missed it. What? That's not fair. How bye? Because you were really busy taking tablets back to Dr. Bert. Oh, shoot. That's really stupid. Never mind. Maybe next time you don't have to bring those things again, okay? Alright, and just remember, drugs are very bad for you, okay? I know that. And they're not sweets. Alright. And anyway, it's time to end the show. We'll see you on the next episode.
Yeah.
Oh, don't worry. It won't be about drugs.
No.
And you usually know what we always say. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Come on, Luigi. Let's go to McDonald's. Yeah, because I have no picnic. See you soon.